athletes out there. Welcome to this Lose Belly Fat in 7 Days challenge by CureFit. This is Sivani here and I will guide you through this workout. I have 8 workout movements for you to help you burn that stubborn belly fat. Today's workout is a 7-day challenge to lose belly fat. All you gotta do is join in with me in this workout where I will be performing these 8 movements that have been specially handpicked, which will start working on that belly fat. As this is a 7-day challenge, I want you to come back and work out with me for the next 7 days. After you do this challenge for the next 7 days, follow the right nutrition and trust me, you will surely see some real changes in your body. So let us begin this Lose Belly Fat in 7 Days challenge. The first movement that we have, the good old jumping jack. So what you're gonna do for this, you're gonna jump out, hands up overhead and jump back in. Want to scale it down, step out and then repeat on the other side. Let's do this for 45 seconds in 3, 2 and 1. Stay light on your feet. Keep those knees soft. Make sure you're getting a big movement. Arms all the way overhead. Jump out and in. Full body conditioning happening right here. Let's keep moving. Nice work, team. Stay with me. If you want to scale it down, you can step out and in. That's also an option. Getting fit together here. Almost there. And we're done in 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. The next one we have, we're going to focus on that midsection.
Guys, most of the time we see end results. Like we see people with flat bellies, people who are already flexible and they can stretch. Yes, Goga. Yes, Robito. Yeah, but they just didn't wake up and become flexible. It was a journey. They failed the first day like I've done, the second day, the third day, and with time they got flexible. Yeah. So today I'm not going to edit my videos because I was already tired and I couldn't finish all the exercises. I did 3 which I've not done very well, but that's my first day. I don't want to overwork myself today because I also need to do it every day. If I overdo it today, tomorrow I will not be able to do. So it's a step by step, and the reason why I'm not going to edit because I don't want to show a perfect workout. I want to motivate that person out there who wants to begin and they don't know how, who see that, oh, the people they are watching are very flexible, and I be like, I want to be flexible like them. But you will not be flexible on day 1. That's why I'm putting up this failed workout for you to see that it's not easy, and you can also begin. You can also begin, fail day 1, fail day 2, improve day 3, and by the end of the week, we will see how it goes. I'll be showing you. I will not be editing, and see if there are results. Do I expect results in 1 week? I don't know. We will see, okay? Thank you for watching. Let's do it.